Let me share with you the most incredibly effective sleep remedy from traditional practices. This is the time-tested elixir designed to help you achieve deep, uninterrupted, restorative sleep naturally. We begin with 50 grams of fresh celery. Its natural sodium and magnesium content is wonderful for helping to relax muscles and calm the nervous system, preparing your body for rest. Next, add 30 grams of red dates. These provide a gentle, natural sweetness and are traditionally used to nourish the blood and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Place the celery and red dates into a pot with 1 liter of fresh water. Let them simmer together over a low flame for about 15 minutes. This gentle heat coaxes the beneficial compounds into the water. As it simmers, your kitchen will fill with a soothing, earthy aroma. This scent is part of the therapy, helping to calm your mind and signal that it is time to begin winding down for the evening. Just before serving, sprinkle a generous tablespoon, about 15 grams of goji berries into your cup. These vibrant berries add powerful antioxidants and are known to help balance the nervous system. Pour the hot infusion thoroughly over the goji berries in your cup. The heat will gently warm the berries, raising their goodness and creating a warm, comforting drink to enjoy after your evening meal. The warmth of the drink combined with the gentle herbs and natural compounds works synergistically. Together, they calm both the body and the mind, addressing restlessness from multiple angles. This is nourishment, not medication. The celery provides electrodes to prevent cramps, while the red dates offer gentle carbohydrates for stable blood sugar throughout the night, supporting your body's natural sleep cycle. The result is pure, restorative sleep. You wake up feeling generally refreshed without any drowsiness or chemical after effects. This natural solution offers a clear-minded, energized start to your day.